power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this all-new 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 4xe in bright white. With HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, body color fender flares, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 443 miles on it, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 4-to-1 rock track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, split folding rear seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PT3200.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.